Hi and welcome back to a new index card video. Today I'm sharing 2 index cards all at once and I'm using Brushos. The stamps I'm using are from Viva Las Vegas stamps and I use archival ink to stamp them to the background. I'm using the Brusho resist sticks from Colourcraft to add some white spaces on my page. It's a waxy stick, so it will resist the watercolor. I spritz the background with water and add Brusho powders. I use a piece of tissue to soak up the paint in some areas. I decide that I also want to create the second background with Brushos. I wet the paper from the backside to avoid the warping. When the background is dry, I use another stamp from Viva Las Vegas stamps to add some texture to the background. I use the Colourcraft Aztec Metallic Paint to add some sprinkles to the page. I thin it down with water a little bit. Here I'm using the same paint to stamp some stars to the second background, and I use the paint directly from the bottle without adding any water. To finish the pages up, I add my sentiments. I pick a sticker from Tim Holtz and also a die from Tim Holtz and add it to the page. On the second page I'm using an image from a paper pad I got from the local dollar store, and the sentiment comes also in this pad. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!